Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first, this evening the government is committing more than $100 million to help farmers who suffered losses after the recent rainfalls. From livestock to produce, the devastation has been widespread. Sandy Williams has the details.
For months, farmers around the country had been hoping for rain to break the dry spell. But when it came, some were placed deeper in misery. St. Thomas was hardest hit.
Almost every farming community in St. Thomas suffered from flood damage. Next up was St. Andrew. In fact, a lot of our farming communities in St. Andrew were cut off because of landslides.
According to Agriculture Minister Floyd Green, preliminary estimates show $274 million worth of damage to the agriculture sector.
In fact, our livestock farmers suffered about $25 million in loss, largely our chicken farmers or poultry farmers. We saw equipment loss amounting to $10,678,000. We saw crop loss, especially our vegetable lines, amounting to $173 million over the last weekend. And our farm road network, unfortunately, suffered damage amounting to about $64 million.
The loss could be a big setback for some farmers, but they need not to worry. The government has pledged to provide support valued at $157 million to farmers over the next few weeks. Minister Green made the announcement while speaking at a ceremony to mark Eat Jamaican Day at the College of Agriculture, Science and Education, CASE, on Friday.
We will be providing crop support of about $70 million, and that will take care of input, seeds, things like fertilizer. We'll be providing equipment support of about $8 million, livestock support of about $15 million, and we will be looking to rehabilitate our farm roads to the tune of $64 million.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.
The government